if x is equal to f of t and y is equal to g of t, x is equal to f of t and y is equal to g of t are the differentiable function of t. So this x is differential of t, also y is differential of function t, so that y is differential function of x. Y is a differentiable function of x if dx by dt not equal to 0, then dy by dx is equal to dy upon dt upon dx upon dt. It is parametric function. It is parametric function. Parametric function x is equal to 84. Question first. X is equal to 84 and y is equal to 80. Y is equal to 80 square. Y is equal to 80 square. So first we have to give one, simplify this parametric function, apply derivative. So x is equal to, solution of this, x is equal to 80 square. Differentiate with respect to t. Differentiate with respect to t. So dx upon dt, derivative of 84, a is constant, outside the constant, and derivative of t raised to 4. Derivative of t raised to 4. We know derivative of x raised to n is n into x raised to n minus 1. n into x raised to n minus 1. dx by dt is equal to, a is constant, so 4t raised to 3. So dx by dt is 4a t cube. 4a t cube. Its equation first. Similar, find the derivative of y is equal to twice 80 square. Differentiate with respect to t. dy by dt. Outside this twice is constant. Twice a into derivative of t square. So derivative of t square is twice a into twice t. 2 into 2, 4. 4a t. dy by dt. Its equation second. So we will get value dx by dt and dy by dt by using definition of parametric function. By using definition of parametric function is dy by dx is equal to dy by dt upon dx by dt. Its equation 3. आता काय करायचं या ठिकाणी, इक्वेशन फर्स्ट मधली व्हॅल्यू पुट अप करणार, इक्वेशन सेकंड मधली व्हॅल्यू या ठिकाणी काय करणार, पुट अप करणार. सो फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1, 2 and 3, from equation 1, 2 and 3, so we will get require dy by dx. dy by dx is, value of dy by dt is 480 upon value of dx by dt 4a t cube. So this 4 cancel, a cancel, this t and this t cube also cancel. So dy by dx is equal to 1 upon t square. It's required differentiation. Next, x is equal to t minus root t. X is equal to t minus root t and y is equal to t plus root t. t plus root of t. Solution of this, बघा काय करायचं आहे, differentiate with respect to t, differentiate with respect to t. So x is equal to t minus root t, differentiate with respect to t, differentiate with respect to t, dx upon dt, dx upon dt. Derivative of this t is 1 minus derivative of root t 1 upon 2 times root t, 1 upon 2 times root t. Its equation first, its equation first. Same similar, differentiate y is equal to t plus root t, differentiate with respect to t, differentiate with respect to t. So we will get dy by dt, dy by dt is equal to derivative of this t is 1 plus derivative of root t is 1 upon 2 times root t. Its equation second, its equation second. By using a definition of parametric function, we have to find dy by dx, we have to find dy by dx. So by using a definition of parametric function, parametric function definition is dy by dx is dy by dt upon dx by dt. Its equation 3. From equation 1, 2 and 3, replace the value of dy by dx, sorry, dy by dx, dy by dt and dx by dt is, so from equation 1, 2 and 3, we will get dy by dx is 1 plus 1 upon 2 times root t upon 1 minus 2 times root t. Make it cross multiply. So we will get required answer 2 root t into 1. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करायचं आहे, डिनॉमिनेटर सेम आहे का? नाही आहे. ठीक आहे, मग क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई केलं तर मला काय मिळतं? dy by dx is equal to 2 root t plus 1 upon 2 root t upon 2 root t minus 1 upon 2 times root of t. So this 2 root of t cancel है ना. So dy by dx required derivative आपल्याला मिळतोय 2 times root t plus 1 upon 2 times root t minus 1. बघ असे या ठिकाणी मिळतं. ठीक आहे, मग x is equal to a to t raised to 4 and y is equal to twice a t square असं इक्वेशन दिलं बघा सिम्प्लिफाय करण्यासाठी. मी x ला घेतलं, x ला डिफरन्शिएट केलाय, x is equal to a t raised to 4. So differentiate with respect to t. So we will get dx is equal to derivative of this dx by dt. आप a constant आहे त्याला समोर घेतलं, derivative of t raised to 4 apply x raised to n, derivative of x raised to n is n into x raised to n minus 1. We will get derivative of t raised to 4 is 4t cube. So required dx by dt is this. Same similar, y is equal to twice t square. Twice a is constant and derivative of t square is twice t. So this 2 into 2 4t. Okay, dy by dt. By using definition of parametric function, dy by dx is equal to dy by dt upon dx by dt. It's equation 3. From equation 1, 2 and 3 we will get required derivative of this. है ना. So value of dy by dt is 4at cube and value of dy by dt is 4at. So this 4a cancel, the t and t should be also cancel. So required is 1 upon t square. Dy by dx is 1 upon t square. Same similar, next question we have to given x is equal to t plus root t and y is equal to t minus root t. ठीक है ना, sorry, x is equal to t minus root t, y is equal to t plus root t. Differentiate x with respect to t, we will get derivative of t is 1 and derivative of root t is 1 upon 2 times root t. So derivative of x is dx by dt 1 minus 1 upon 2 root t. Same similar, find the derivative of y is equal to root t or t plus root t. So derivative of t is 1 and derivative of root of t is 1 upon 2 times root t. It is equation first, equation second, and apply definition of parametric function. So definition of parametric function is dy by dx is equal to this. From equation 1, 2 and 3 we will get required value of dy by dx. या दोघांचं या ठिकाणी डिनॉमिनेटर सेम आहे का? नाही आहे. म्हणून मी काय केलं क्रॉस मल्टिप्लाय केलं. क्रॉस मल्टिप्लाय केलं तर ही जी टर्म दिसते 2√t also cancel. ठीक है. इट्स रिक्वायर्ड डिफरेंशिएशन इन दिस dy by dx is equal to 2√t plus 1 upon 2√t minus 1. Next question. Next. X is equal to cos of log t. X is equal to cos of log t and y is equal to log of cos t. Log of cos t. Log of cos t. Same similar we have to find the derivative of x with respect to t. Same similar also find the derivative of y is equal to log of cos t with respect to t. So solution of this x is equal to cos of log t. Cos of log t. ठीक है. So derivative of cos of f of x. We know composite function. So derivative of this cos is minus sin of f of x. Minus sin of f of x into derivative of this f of x into derivative of f of x. So derivative of f of x is f dash of x. F dash of x. So minus sin of f of x into derivative of f of x is f dash of x. It's a composite function. It is composite function. So differentiate with respect to t. So x is equal to derivative of cos minus sin of log t. Minus sin of log t into derivative of log t. Into derivative of log t में directly differentiate करतो इथं पाहिलं आहे और t चा derivative येणार log t चा 1 by t. Its equation first. Same similar we can find the derivative of so this y is equal to log of cos t. Derivative of log of f of x 1 upon f of x into f dash of x. So differentiate with respect to t. Log of f of x 1 upon f of x into derivative of f of x. So dy by dt is equal to 1 upon cos t and derivative of cos t is minus sin t.